Hey there guys, it's me Pat and welcome back again to another tutorial. For today's video, I'm going to discuss about the Bitwise Operator not. So let's start with the application agad-agad. So we have here x as 11011 base 2 and y as 10100 base 2 as our given. So guys, kapag meron tayong operator na not, ang symbol niya is this one. So in this problem, we're going to determine not x and i-determine din natin yung not y. So number 1 would be not x. So yung not na to is the same concept din sa logical operator natin na ganito. So ibig sabihin, kapag nakita ka ng 1, i-convert mo na siya sa 0. Or kapag nakita ka ng 0, i-convert mo naman siya dun sa 1. So para i-negate mo lang siya. Ganun yung concept nun. So dito tayo magsa-start sa pinaka-right part. So guys, yung 1 dito would be 0. Yung 1 dito, that would be 0 again. 0 would be 1. And then 1 would be 0. And then yung 1 magiging 0 din. Okay? So double check lang natin. Ito, 1 naging 0, 1 naging 0, 0 naging 1, 1 naging 0, and yung 1 dito naging 0. Okay? Now for our second item, that would be not y. So dito tayo magsa-start ulit. That would be yung 0 magiging 1. Yung 0 ulit magiging 1. Yung 1 magiging 0. Yung 0 magiging 1, and then yung 1 magiging 0. So, double check lang natin ulit. Yung 1 naging 0, yung 0 naging 1, yung 1 naging 0, yung 0 naging 1, and yung 0 naging 1. So, basically guys, yung bitwise operator na not yung pinakamadali sa lahat ng bitwise since itatoggle mo lang siya or inenegate mo lang siya. Now, let's try this example naman. We have to get not P and then not Q. Okay? So, for our first item, that would be not P. Magsisimula tayo dito. Okay? So, yung 1 magiging 0. 1 magiging 0 ulit. Yung 0 magiging 1. Yung 1 magiging 0. 0 magiging 1. 1 magiging 0. 0 magiging 1. Yung 1 magiging 0. Yung 0 magiging 1. And then yung 1 magiging 0. Now, let's try to double check it. 1 would be 0, which is this. 1 would be 0. 0 would be 1. 1 would be 0, 0 would be 1, 1 would be 0, 0 would be 1, 1 would be 0, 0 would be 1, and then 1 would be 0. Okay? Now, let's answer the second item, which is not Q. Again, dito tayo magsisimula. Okay? That would be 0, magiging 1, 1 magiging 0, 1 magiging 0, 0 magiging 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 magiging 4 na 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 magiging 1, and then yung 1 magiging 0. Now guys, let's try to double check it. So 0 magiging 1, 1 magiging 0, 1 magiging 0, 0 magiging 1. Tapos 1, 2, 3, 4, dapat meron tayong 4 na 0, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4 na zeros, okay? 0 magiging 1 ulit, and then yung 1 magiging 0. Okay? So that would be base 2. So that's it for today's lesson guys. Thanks for watching and please do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!